welcome to today's class. My name is Jennifer Kingsley, the admin of Jenny King's Creations and Fashion Home. Today's class, I shall be teaching you how to make a turban cap from the scratch. This kind of class comes once in a while. I know today's class is supposed to be for the beginners only, those that are trying to learn how to make turban, but I know many of us here, we are into turban making already. Anyway, no knowledge is a waste. You are all welcome. So without wasting our time, we'll just go straight according to our outline for us to get used to the materials and the tools needed for today's class. So let's go straight. With me here, I have a pin. This is office pin. This is office pin. This is tails used for embellishment and decoration after making your cap. Then this is brooch, melter, non-melter, and flowering brooch. This is tailor's check for marking. If you don't have it, you can make use of biro. This is thread and hand needle, matching thread. Always get a matching thread to make your work neat. Then I have gum with me. So many gums are in the market, so you can lay your hand on anyone, but I prefer using this UHU. It's very firm. Then I have the material. This is scuba, stretching material, scuba or poly as people may call it. And this is measuring tape. Then this is scissor. I prefer using a zigzag scissors, or if you don't have it, you can make use of the normal scissors. So let's get started. Sorry, I have my lovely head baby. You don't want me to introduce her. I have my dummy head baby. So with this when time comes, I will remove this one then and test our own. Thank you. Alright, I have the material here with me. The measurements that I will be needing for this class. One thing you will know is that the measurement differs at times according to the head circumference of an individual. So if you look at somebody, or if somebody tells you that he wants to have maybe use it with a big head, then you know how to take the measurement. Normally, the normal measurement for head circumference is 12, 24 unfold, then you have 12. So I'll be making use of 12 in this class. The head circumference is like this. Just round the head in this way, you get the measurement. That is what I mean by the head circumference. So you fold your fabric into two to get that. Use the stretchy parts this way. Use the stretchy parts. Fold the material into two in this way. Fold it into two. Then once you have it fold into two, make sure the right side is together facing, then the wrong side up. Then you take the measurement. You measure the circumference. Here is going to be the circumference of the head. Now like this is the depth of the cap. So this one now, the wideness now, I am having 12 in folding. I have 12 inches. Then you take the length. The length also, I am making use 12 in this way, 12 in this way. Remember, it's being folded into two. So I have 12 the wide, 12 the length. You can always increase the length, or you cannot increase the wideness. You can only reduce depending, no matter how somebody's head is big, it will never be more than 24 when you open it. So I'm making use of 12 by 12, 12 by 12, 12 by 12. So now to get our curving, we have 12 here already. So when you come to the upper parts, measure 4 from here, from the folding parts. Measure 4. This is when you need your check. You measure 4 this way. You measure 4 in this way. Then from the 4, will come down in this way. Do curve in this way. Curve it. I don't know whether the curving is showing. You just want to do away with this one angle part. Get your curve in this way. I hope you can see it. You curve it in this way. You may decide to leave it depending how you want the shape to be at the back, but I prefer curving it in this way. So you now take your scissors, then you cut out the curve. So you can see it now. This is how it looks like. So when you open it, it gives you this shape. So this is the base. Now to get the band, I have 2 pieces of material here. You cut 2 pieces of material. 4. The wideness is 4. Then the length is 14. 4 by 14. 4 in this way, 14 in this way. So you get these 2 in this way. Then you fold it into 2. Fold it into 2. Fold the second one into 2. Place it together in this way. Fold it into 2. Then you measure 2. Measure 2 from the opening side. Get 2 from the opening side. Mark 2 from here to here. 2 the opening side from here 2. Then you draw from where you stop, slant in this way, from this curve. Draw it slant. This check is not showing well, but I believe you can see it. Then when you do that, you give it a cut this way, slant. So this is what we have. You can see how the shape look like. Then you still fold it again. This time around, let the wrong side be together and let the right side come up. Let the wrong side be together and let the right. So when you fold it together in this way, this is when your pin, office pin, comes in. Use your office pin to hold it like this. So after you secure it with your pin, we now make the V shape of the band together before attaching it to the base. So anyone can be at the front or be on top or the down. Just carry the curve side or the slant side, place it together in this way. You place it together in this way. Then you pin it. You can see that the V shape has started forming already. You can put this one down. It's the same thing, but make sure that this angle here and this angle here comes together in this way. It can be like this. It can be like this. So make sure this angle match together this way. Then remove the pin. Repin it again. So as it is now, so you can see the V shape has formed already at the front. Now the next thing now is for you to locate the midpoint, the center point. It's for you to locate the center point. Fold it into 2 in this way. Then when you locate the center point, you mark it. You can either mark it with chalk, or you can either give a little notch for you to know the center. Then you come to the base, you fold it the same way, you do the same thing. When you fold the base in this way, then the down part, oh, not the upper part, the down part, locate the center. Either you mark or you give a notch also in this way to know the center. Now, in joining the band to the base, locate where you have marked. Now this one, now both the right side are up, so there is no need for that. It's only here that you will look for the right side. Look for the right side. Anyhow you match it, you sew, it will come out well. So locate the midpoint where you have marked and use your pin also to secure it. Use your pin to secure it the same way down here. Use your pin to secure it down to the end. So you use your pin to secure it, secure the base to the band till the end, so it will be easier for you to sew. So this is it. If you have machine, you take it to your machine, you just sew. So follow the line as we have put the pin. Follow the line this way, like this. If you don't have machine, like even this one I will be using the hand needle, you just use your normal hand needle to sew it on this line. Follow the pin. So by the time we come out, it will be like this. By the time you finish, it will be like this. So I will go ahead and sew it. When I come back, I will show you.